Sige na, Loy. Oh, lasok ka nila. Kung hindi mo yung nagbasa, mga mga ka. O, nasunod. Hindi nyo, di ba? Ikakalikod. Tayo.
Langko ng tuyo.
Kapat ako na libangay ka na. Uy, limbungan mo ka.
Gani.
Limbungan mo ka gadi. Sa nasa. Ano yung pang limbong? Ba't yung limbong? You should follow the rules, bro. Ano yung cheating? Sige na. Faster. If you want to play next, go. Last one. Only this, Uy. Are you cheating? Ano?
No.
I told you. Only 4, not 5. It should be 5.
What the?
Only 4. 3 pagani, oh. Wala gani ako na abot ng 105.
I'll not give up
Sige
yet.
na.
Oh no.
Ay, limbong.
I said wait.
Ayun na po.
What the? Okay. Okay. What the? Where did I fly to go? At least I don't care. I click. Damn it. That was a skip bug anyway. What? Okay.
Alamin natin ang iba pang
I clicked.
motibay. Ang iba pang ay tunang na masarap huwag tayong magbaluhan sa
Oh, I see it now. I use my other hand. Okay, I will not do this again. Let me go back.
ng isang anak ay pangamanin natin.
Kain na ka?
Dire na. Pangamanin natin. Pangamanin ay bumasa ang
Gari ko gari.
Okay.
mana? Pinasay at yung susunod mula sa mga paraang
It's a free search anyway.
isulat ang
Get out. Get out.
Kahit ang ginilito. Sumulat ang pangalan sa tungkol sa pag-aksa ng inasal sa sanaysay o kwento.
This is the easiest. I think this is.
Paghilo, one jersey, kung ang mga panguling na ginagamit.
Ano na?
Oo, pot na.
Mana si Ja? Oh my god.
Uy, pila to ka minutes imo kayo na?
Kuan 7.
7.
Aw kuan and then Orag man to
What's
5.
that? Why the hell are you laughing? Shut up, bro. Shut up. We're trying to lock in.
10 minutes sa kang ka. Abot ka.
Hala.
Okay?
Ako,
Sinatan
15.
sunod.
Oh, okay. Ako na mo
Ako
siya
man,
kay-
pro.
10 minutes ka tama na.
Ako?
15 ka.
Yeah.
Di kayo man naman sila gaya na good na utod na yung recording. Diba? Diba bro?
Gani.
Okay. Taro nga bro.
Okay, I'll do it.
Di ka balo. You can just do stick bugs. Just, bro.
Wait, let's. I don't like this game. What does compass mean? Checkmate.
Bro, that's so hard.
Checkmate.
Check him
Sa Roblox
natin.
na.
Oh.
Oh,
Geometry dash malagi daw.
murag.
Oh, Polydashman.
Oh, only dash.
Oh, di mapatay man ka kagalisod ton.
Oh my god.
The Nightmare by Jax.
Okay.
Oh guys, try out best. I really bust.
Joke lang din bro.
Bro, can you
What? How did I?
your volume, bro? It's so low. I can't even hear it.
Okay.
That.
Okay.
Turn your microphone off. You dumbass.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Oh, what did I do, guys? I think I probably messed up, guys.
Oh.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and don't for
Let's
don't-
go.
Let's go. What
Let's go
the?
guys. Let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go guys.
What the?
What? Okay.
Be quiet. You're gonna lock in, bro.
Let's go.
What did I
Oh.
do?
It was so low. It was so far.
Only 10 minutes.
I mistake, guys. Only 2 left. Only 2 minutes left, bro. Oh, you died there. But we're gonna cut the video after 10 minutes.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's only 9 left. Only 1 left. You gotta beat it fast. Oh, hell
I'm gonna
no.
beat this guy.
It's 3D.
Oh, why did?
Click! And
Okay.
then if you see a spike, you click over it. It's 3D, bro.
What? I click. Sorry, guys, that was a mistake.
You should time it.
I clicked too.
Yeah, because you didn't swipe it yet. You see?
Oh, I get
you
it.
jumped in the middle slab. I literally just. Oh, I hate this game. I hate this game.
Hey, hey, hey,
Then
hey.
na. Oh,